Basis of the facts we studied about Red Sea, let's have a quick check test on that. We want to know that whether we have grasped all the facts and details correctly or not. So let's start. Question number 1. Arrange the following water bodies from west to east according to their geographical location. So these three water bodies are there: Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea and Persian Gulf. You have to arrange them from west to east direction, means from left towards right. So Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea and Persian Gulf you arrange according to their location from left to right, west to east. So the correct answer is first, second and third. Leftmost is Mediterranean Sea and rightmost is Persian Gulf, and in center Red Sea would come. So you can clearly see on the screen here in the map, on the leftmost, the westmost thing is the Mediterranean Sea. Followed by it, when we move towards right, we get Red Sea, and at last we get Persian Gulf. So this was the answer. Now the next question. Arrange the following water bodies from south to north, lowest latitude to highest latitude. First one again is Red Sea, second is Persian Gulf and Mediterranean Sea. Now what you have to do, you have to say the name of that water body first, which is in the lowest latitude, which is in bottom, and then you have to arrange water bodies which are higher than that, from south towards north, from lowest latitude towards highest latitude. So this is the correct answer again, first, second and third. Red Sea is the lowest, Mediterranean Sea is the topmost, Persian Gulf is in between. So if there is any confusion regarding it, you can see it latitude wise. You will find that these are the latitudinal extent of the three water bodies. So the Red Sea, which is the lowest most, start from the 12 degree. Then Persian Gulf, which starts from 24 degree, and the Mediterranean Sea, which starts from 30 degree. Now I was speaking, what if we think about the Tropic of Cancer also here? The Tropic of Cancer has the latitude degree 23 degree 30 minutes, means 23.5 degree. So it clearly lies between the latitudinal extent of the Red Sea. So the Tropic of Cancer will pass through the Red Sea. But what about Persian Gulf? Persian Gulf, because since it starts from 24 degree and the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5, so Persian Gulf will lie above the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Cancer will not pass through the Persian Gulf. And Mediterranean Sea starts from 30 degree, it is quite above the Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer, it also lies above the Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer passes only through the Red Sea, and it does not pass through the Persian Gulf and Mediterranean Sea. Persian Gulf and Mediterranean Sea are above the Tropic of Cancer. Now the next question. Which of the following are the part of Atlantic Ocean? Red Sea, Persian Gulf or Mediterranean Sea? So you have to see which of the following is the part of the Atlantic Ocean. So you can see in the diagram it is clear, in the figure it is clear, in the map it is clear that Atlantic Ocean is here and Mediterranean Sea is here. They are both interconnected. So definitely Mediterranean Sea is the part of Atlantic Ocean. It cannot be part of Indian Ocean because Indian Ocean is nowhere directly connected with the Mediterranean Sea naturally. Although Mediterranean Sea is connected with the Indian Ocean also, but it is connected artificially with the help of Suez Canal. So here Mediterranean Sea would not be considered as the part of Indian Ocean naturally. Now the next question, which of the following is or are the part of Indian Ocean? So Red Sea, Persian Gulf or Mediterranean Sea? So you can clearly see here in this diagram that this Red Sea and Persian Gulf are the part of Indian Ocean only. So first and second are the correct answer. Now let's see to the next question. Which of the following is not part of the Indian Ocean? Which of the following is not the part of the Indian Ocean? So just now we have discussed. So here the correct answer is third only, the Mediterranean Sea, which is not part of the Indian Ocean. It is the part of the Atlantic Ocean. Now next question, which of the following is not the part of the Atlantic Ocean? So clearly this question also we have discussed just now. Red Sea and Persian Gulf, since they are part of the Indian Ocean, so they are not part of the Atlantic Ocean. So these were the questions.